All right, Todd is back. Full forecast time on this Wednesday. Rolling in lots of dark blue colors behind you.
It's cold, but today's going to be the best day of the week, Goldie.
I'm excited.
Yes.
Let's go.
You should be.
Good.
Let's get started because we've got some stuff to talk about. Right now, our temps are in the 20s for the most part. Some colder spots up in the western Maine mountains and over into the Coos County, New Hampshire. And while there won't be as much wind out there today, it's still noticeable this morning, and it's creating some wind chills that are down in the 20s. So it's pretty cold out early on here. It still feels like winter. High pressure, this little ridge right here, is going to be drifting east, allowing for this storm to enter the northeast. Clouds will increase a little bit this afternoon. There is some severe weather in the deep south. We talked about it earlier in this newscast. Some tornadoes down through Louisiana and Mississippi and Alabama. And there's going to be more problems down there again today. We're not going to get into the warm sector with this storm. We're going to stay on the colder side. And that means we will see some wintry precipitation. A clear, dry morning with cold temperatures out there and enough of a breeze to be a factor. Dress for it. Midday, still looking at a lot of sunshine through the state. Light wind, temps recover into the 40s, feeling much better. And this afternoon, while there will be some clouds up there, they won't be super thick ones. We'll still get some faint sunshine through them, and that probably gives us a really colorful sunset at the end of the day. High temperatures reach the mid-40s, warmest of the week, 46 in Bangor, same temp in Portland. We'll get to the upper 40s in Lewiston and Augusta, upper 40s for Freiburg and parts of York County too. It'll be cooler in the mountains, but a lot better than recent days. Rangeley, Greenville, Caribou, all around 40 or even higher. And the wind won't be as much of a problem up there either. So actually some decent spring-like skiing for you if you want to get some runs in this afternoon. All right, we're going to pick up the story early tomorrow morning. This is 6 a.m. first thing, and there's going to be a wedge of cold air across the interior. Not so much at the surface, but there will be a cold layer above us. And that'll give us a little wintry mix first thing as this arrives, the precipitation, a little snow inland, a little sleet along the coastline. It'll eventually go over to rain, and it'll happen pretty quickly along the coast. But the interior will hold on to this cold layer a little longer, and that could create some slick spots for our morning commute tomorrow. So we'll keep an eye on that. As we go through the afternoon, it's plain rain for a lot of us, mixed precip up in the mountains, and then we'll get to the more intense round of rain slash mixed precip slash snow for tomorrow night into first thing Friday morning. But it's all exiting by Friday morning, and we'll get improvements in the afternoon. Put a little snow map for you on here. We've got 3 to 6 inches for far northern Maine, stretching back into the western Maine mountains, 1 to 3 inches for the hills and the central highlands. The rest of us get an inch or less, and if we do get anything along the coastline, it would be just a little slushy coating on the grass, and it would likely melt away pretty quickly too. So not too concerned with that system. It'll be out of here Friday afternoon. We get a little sunshine and actually see a brief temperature spike up close to 50. Over the weekend, decent. We've got partly sunny skies on Saturday, more clouds on Sunday. Both days will be in the 40s. And then an Arctic front comes through Sunday evening, and we get blasted early next week with another round of significant cold for late in the season. We'll see highs only in the 30s. Marine forecast, small crafts, seas 2 to 3, north winds diminishing today. Mostly sunny with highs in the mid-40s. We've got a wintry mix tomorrow morning, changing over to rain. Highs only around 40 degrees. That rain continues tomorrow night into Friday morning, and then we'll brighten up a little bit. Saturday is the pick of the weekend. Sunshine in the morning, followed by clouds. A couple of showers around on Sunday, but not a big deal. What is a big deal, Lee? The cold for early next week. Yikes.
All right, well, we will deal with that when we have to.
Yeah, it's a few days away.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.